Let's kick this comparison video with the RE20 and the SM7B. We're gonna hear both microphones, and in the end, finally I figured out which microphone you should buy after so many years. There's a debate, which microphone is better, which microphone you should buy. I'm gonna give you this opinion in the end of today's video, so make sure to watch the video till the end, ladies and gentlemen, because it's very simple. Now, this is the RE20 connected to Vocaster 2. I'm gonna add some EQ in the second. This is the raw audio from the RE20. Super popular microphones, doesn't need any introduction because, come on, everybody knows the RE20 and SM7B, especially this guy here. Let's switch to SM7B now. And now this is the SM7B, raw audio, dry signal, super flat response. The sound actually is very nice. I do like it. This microphone is super easy to EQ because it's got this flat response. Again, depends of your voice. Let me know in the comments below which microphone sounds better on my voice, the RE20 or the SM7B. Now, this microphone has been on the market for so many years. Actually, the RE20 is the older microphone, but this microphone is super popular. You can see this microphone on pretty much everywhere, to your favorite podcaster, musicians, gamers, you name it. This microphone is being used by so many people, and that's why it's so popular. Now, the reason I bought both microphones is because I do like the look of the SM7B, because this looks business, looks neat, looks professional, but the stealth look of the RE20 is very nice as well. And now let me know in the comments below which microphone do you prefer. I mean, we're talking about the look, we'll talk about the sound in a second, but yeah, this is the SM7B, no post-processing. I'm gonna add some EQ in the second. The sound is super cool, very flat. But let me know in the comments below which microphone do you like. Let's switch to RE20 now. And now this is the RE20. This microphone straight from the box sounds beautiful. You don't need to EQ this microphone, but if you have to, you're more than happy to EQ this microphone. It's very easy to EQ. The sound is bright, it's natural, and I think suits my voice very nice. Now, I do like this microphone because two reasons. First of all, the look. This looks amazing with this stealth design. Also, RE20, they released another version, same microphone but in black, which also looks very neat. Depends on your setup. But the original RE20, it's beautiful, sounds nice. I like it. And second, the variable D. Now, this technology, it's super cool. Basically, what is variable D? This is something simple. Basically, when you move left or right, the tone of the sound doesn't move. So if you're a DJ, the proximity effect will not move. So that's pretty cool. Now, let's go back to SM7B now. Now, the SM7B is super cool microphone, but there's a couple of things that you should know with this microphone. Now, probably you think I'm gonna say you need a booster. Not really. You don't need a booster of this microphone. I know in the past I did a couple of videos recommending the boosters, but again, depends on your audio interface. But I don't think you need a booster. This microphone is so cool that you can change the pop filters here. You can put a blue, a yellow, red. This is cool. So if you want to make this microphone fun, you can do that. But the black pop filter, it's nice because it makes it professional. Now, let's add some EQ now and let's have fun with these two microphones, because with the EQ, I think the fun is going to be much better, so you can hear both microphones with EQ on. Now, the SM7B, this is no EQ. Let's add some EQ now. And now this is the SM7B with some EQ. As you can hear, immediately the sound is changed. It's brighter. I'm not sure if I like the sound with EQ. Let's remove the EQ now. And now this is the SM7B with no EQ. I think without EQ sounds better. I think. This is what I'm hearing in my headphones. Let's add the EQ back now. And now this is the SM7B with EQ. Sounds pretty good. Let me know in the comments below, EQ on or EQ off. Now, this is the EQ off. Let's go back to RE20. And now this is the RE20. Let's add some EQ on the RE20. Let's hear if the sound is better with EQ. And now this is the RE20 with EQ on. The sound is pretty cool, but I personally believe without EQ, the sound is much better. Again, depends of the EQ you add. Vocaster 2 has 4 different presets. We have radio. Yeah, this is the radio vibe. We have clean. But I personally believe with no EQ, this microphone sounds beautiful. And now to my verdict. This question is being asked so many times. Both microphones are amazing, but let me add the SM7B now as well. Now, both microphones are super nice, super cool, super popular, doesn't need an introduction, but the question is very simple, guys. If you like the look of the SM7B, but you don't care about the sound, obviously this microphone sounds beautiful, sounds amazing. You don't need any EQ. Straight from the box, this microphone is great. But if the look is important to you, if let's say you do very professional podcasts, you do nice videos, you want a microphone that wants to look nice on the video, buy the SM7B. Super simple, guys, super simple. But if the sound is important to you, you don't care about the look of the microphone, buy the RE20. Super simple, guys. I said to you, this is very easy, very simple question. Not many people think like that. If the sound is important to you, buy the RE20. If the look is important to you, buy the SM7B. That's it. Super simple. I personally like the look of the SM7B, but I like the sound of the RE20. The sound of the RE20, it's super natural, super nice, super bright, and this microphone sounds beautiful. So there you have it, guys. Super simple question. Probably you watch a ton of videos about these two microphones. It's very simple. If the look is important to you, get the SM7B. If the sound is important to you, get the RE20. That's it. Simple. Thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments down below what do you think, guys, about the RE20 and the SM7B. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments down below, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.